trucks, Ashmore's little front end loader backhoe machine. Luca loves installing and timing injection pumps, don't you, Luca? Yeah, you do. This is an easy one. Looks like a quality PPD exhaust.
What do you think about driving me in here?
Oh yeah, I can do that. It's got the sticker to prove it. Giving her a quick top up before we give it a bit of a hurting around the track on our lunch break. Settle and go see what predicament Ash has gotten himself into.
Nice black teeth you got there.
Oh man, I saw you guys come around the top and I was like, if only I was there with the camera. It's so good, man. There's like literally like a 20-meter high like dust ripple behind you. It's like curling up inside it. I was like, yeah buddy.
Did you use Daddy's drift pad?
I'm actually
Oh, it's good.
What have you done here, buddy?
Well, if you're a dum-dum, you forget that your old bucket here
Oh yeah, your old bucket
is a little higher than the old roof height, and the roof fitted under the tree, but the bucket didn't. And then
quick bit of field service.
Service on the go, quick bit stuff.
Yeah. Oh, bit of action there. Bit of good hook. Yeah. All right, send it, buddy. Send it. Go, go, go.